Good morning, children. Welcome back to online maths class. Beta, today's topic is time. 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 Time means समय. Okay. The clock tells us the exact time of the day or the night. Okay. So, today we will learn about the clock. Okay. See, this is a clock face. This clock face has a round face. It can be rectangle in shape and it also can be square in shape. Okay. Listen, beta. It is divided into 12 parts. You can see 12 numbers are written on the clock face. On top, the number is 12. Then comes 1. Then comes 2. Then comes 3. Then comes 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, 1, 2 till 12 numbers are there on the clock face. Now, let us talk about its hands. A clock has 2 hands. Okay, we will just learn about 2 hands. The shorter hand indicates the hours. The shorter hand tells us the hours. And the longer hand tells us the minute. The short hand जो है वो आर हैंड है जो हमें बताता है कि कितने घंटे हो गए हैं और लॉन्गर हैंड जो है वो मिनट होता है मिनट हैंड होता है ये हमें मिनट्स के बारे में बताता है। तो आज इस क्लास में हम सिर्फ आवर्स की बात करेंगे। ओके, आवर्स में कितने फुल और क्लॉक टाइम की बात करेंगे। ओके, सो बेटा, when the longer hand completes one full circle of the face of the clock, जब longer hand clock face का full circle complete करता है, it means that 1 hour is complete. तो इसका मतलब होता है कि 1 घंटा पूरा हो गया है. And when the short hand does the same, means when the short hand completes one full circle of the face of the clock, it means that a span of 12 hours is complete. Okay. In the same way, when the short hand goes from 12 to 1, जब short hand 12 से 1 पर मूव करता है, then it means that 1 hour is complete. तो इसका मतलब होता है कि 1 hour complete हो गया. Likewise, when the long hand goes from 12 to 1, when the long hand goes from 12 to 1, it means 5 minutes are over. कि जो 5 minutes हैं वो over हो गई हैं. Okay. See बेटा, as a day is made up of 24 hours, one day has 24 hours. एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. In a day, the hour hand travels twice. और दिन में जो hour hand है वो 2 times travel करता है. I mean to say it covers the clock face 2 times. Okay, as in each round it covers 12 hours और हर राउंड में ये 12 hours कंप्लीट करता है. So 12 hours of the day and 12 hours of the night it covers. Okay, when the minute hand covers the entire circle, जब minute hand 1 to 12 12 to again 12 cover करता है, it means it's cover 60 minutes. तो इसका मतलब होता है उसने कितने minutes cover की? 60 minutes. Okay. 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 10 minutes. 12 to 1 5 minutes, 12 to 2 10 minutes, 12 to 3 15 minutes, 12 to 4 20 minutes, 12 to 5 25 minutes, 12 to 6 30 minutes, 12 to 7 35 minutes, 12 to 8 40 minutes, 12 to 9 45 minutes, 12 to 10 50 minutes, and 12 to 11 55 minutes, and complete entire circle means 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now we will learn how to see the time in a clock face. Okay, see beta, look at this picture. Can you see where the long and the short hands are? Yes, the short hand is on number 1 and the long hand is at 12. So the time is 1 o'clock. Okay, it's so simple. Now see the next clock. Can you tell me where the long and the short hands are? See, the short hand is at 2 and the long hand is at 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Now see this clock. Where the long and short hand are? The short hand is at 3 and the long hand is at 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. Now see this clock. In this clock, the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12. So it's 4 o'clock. Now look at this clock. In this clock, the short hand is on 5 and the long hand is on 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now look at this picture. In this picture, the short hand is facing number 6 and the long hand is facing number 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. Now look at this picture. Identify where the hands are. The short hand is at 7 and the long hand is at 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. Now see this clock and identify where the hands are. The R hand is at 8 and the minute hand, the long hand is at 12. So the time is 8 o'clock. Now look at this clock and see where the hands are. Yes, the short hand is on 9 and the long hand is on 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Okay. Now see this clock. In this clock, the short hand is on number 10 and the long hand, the minute hand is on number 12. So the time is 10 o'clock. Now see this clock. In this clock, the R hand is facing number 11 and the minute hand is at number 12. So it's 11 o'clock. Now finally look at this picture of the clock and identify where the hands are. Kids, in this picture, both hands are at 12. The hour hand is also at 12 and the minute hand is also at 12. Both hands are facing 12. So, the time is 12 o'clock. Okay. So, now you are fairly aware of how to read the time in the clock. Now, try to draw some clock face and try to read more of the clock on your own. It's so simple. Okay, beta? And try to draw clock face fairly in your Fair Maths notebook. Okay? Thank you and goodbye, beta.